Alright, I have a big issue today. We went through all this mosaic. Looking for autos, looking for relics. We can't find any. It's a top tier product. Mosaic was all over the place. Nowhere to be found were autos. But then Contenders comes along and it's like, hey, we have the autos, we have the relics, but where was it in Mosaic? Panini driving me insane, losing my mind. I don't care. Start the video. What's going on, everybody? This is J. Ruth Gaming. Today, I'm fired up. Listen, I'm gonna tell you straight up right now, I am juiced up because I don't get it. I don't get why Panini does. Well, I understand why Panini does it because they want your money. But this is wild. This is crazy. First and foremost, look at all the mosaic we have. There's literally, 10 plus blasters, mega boxes, hangers. Listen, I got a full box of the cellos. I didn't even open yet because there's no autos in them. Right? Like, you could get the opportunity to pull an auto, but like, that was the big thing, right? Mosaic was all over the place, literally all over the place. And you were able to guess the top tier product, chase for the autos, but not one box was find the auto. And then what happens? Contenders comes around to save the day. One auto and one relic mem per box. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Like, what is this? Like, what is this? This blows my mind. Blows my mind. Like, I think it's a big slap to the face for everyone in the hobby. I really, really do. It's how I personally feel about it. We just got off one of the last top tier products. Not the last. NBA was the last, technically. NFL, everything's kind of mixed around, right? So you have Prism Optics Select for this rookie class coming up throughout the summer for football. So we just got done with Mosaic, which is technically in a top tier bunch. And Contenders is coming up next, which is this, but Contenders is a mid-tier product. So everyone wants the autos in Mosaic, in the top tier. So it's just like, why are we doing this? Like, look what's in. Let's get all our lucky Charizard. Rip open the first box. Like, guys, look at this. Look what's in this stuff, right? We just did a review on the NBA Contenders as well last night. If you guys are interested in that, back on our homepage, you will see the NBA playlist. You will see it there, or the most recent upload videos. You'll see it there as well. Look at everything is in here. Look at all the ones. One of one, like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 2-1. Like, there's so many opportunities here to get big time cards. It's absolutely insane. There's printing plates in these. Number 2-1. Absolutely insane. And there's autos everywhere. Find one auto per box average. There's not one box, there's not one item in Mosaic that has find. It's all look for. It's insane. I don't get it. It drives me nuts. Now, Contenders, mid-tier product. I personally, by the way, none of this I say today is financial advice. I'm just a crazy guy here on the internet that does reviews. This is my personal opinion of this product. We will do a review of this product, but just the release of this and how they're doing this, it drives me nuts. It drives me nuts. So what we're gonna do, we have 6 of these boxes today. We'll do a review, 42 cards per box here, all right? You've seen the list. It is crazy what you could actually pull from here. Looking for the Stardust, ultra rare Stardust parallels of the top rookies from this class. Now, the NBA products that we did last night, checked out with the review. I was not really impressed at all by it. And I'm assuming we're gonna have the same kind of effect here for the NFL because it's Contenders. Let's be real, it's Contenders, right? Now, there is people on both sides of the fence here. I will say, there's people that absolutely love this product. And there's people that don't. I am one of the people that don't. Doesn't mean it's not a good product. The hashtag for the hobby is, who do you collect? This falls underneath that category, right? It just is being real. We're being professionals. We're all professionals here. That's the truth about it. Who do you collect? What do you collect? Nope, don't listen to anyone else there on the internet. You do what makes you happy, right? So Contenders, that's the standard artwork. It shows a bunch of players at once. And this is the kind of the vibe of the product, right? It's a ticket, right? Contenders is all about the ticket, season ticket, rookie ticket, championship ticket. There's so many different kind of tickets. It's crazy. Like I said, personally, I don't care that it's a ticket, right? Even the back is like kind of like a barcode type of deal. It's just not for me. But there's some cool cards from this set, I will say. So let's see what we can get here today. See if we can find anything crazy. See if we can find anything that's worth it. Got Tua, second year, very, very nice. Claypool, and ooh, very, very nice Gladiators. See, because it's not a ticket, I like it. I think it's a cool card. Very, very cool. Bill here over in Denver. Very, very nice. Very cool, actually. I haven't seen many inserts like this before. That's pretty cool. But if you notice, guys, not a rookie in that pack. Yesterday's opening, we realized there was not a lot of rookies at all. So I'm hoping the NFL product, you get some rookie, like something. Well, it is about the rookies at the end of the day. Like, these are cool just for sport cards if you like just chasing the cards, obviously. But at the end of the day, everyone wants those rookie cards. So there we go. Very, very nice. Like I said, I do appreciate that the rookie cards are a little bit different than the base. We got our boy Najee Harris there, rookie of the year. Pretty cool, actually. What, is he really rookie? No. Rookie of, I think it's just the insert. Yeah, it was Jamar Chase. I was like, wait a minute. That is just the insert, guys, all right? So, pretty cool, though. We do sleeve up Najee. He is definitely sleeve up worthy. Definitely one of the better skilled players that came from this draft over in the Steelers. So, not bad at all. We will take it. Now, once again, we're looking for relics. It says find one relic or rookie ticket swatch. It's going to be like a mem or relic. So, hey, look, we rather auto. We rather an auto out of the preference in the hobby is autograph over patch card. Warren Sapp, power players. Pretty cool type of insert there. Throwing it back. He was like crushing Brett Favre there. It's pretty cool. Cool insert. I like the inserts. I will say the inserts are cool. Everything I've researched, everything I've seen online, the relics are the inserts are, I just like them over the base. But as you see, you're gonna get a ton of base cards. This feels thick, so there we go. It looks like we're gonna get a relic here. Just hoping for a rookie card at the end of the day over a vet. So it should be a rookie ticket swatch, is what it should be. So looking for a big name rookie. Quarterbacks would be great, or a good skilled player. So there we go. Got a skilled player, not the quarterback. Eskridge here, not bad. It is a variation, you can tell by the V. And looks like, it's the only thing I like about it, the green matches the parallel. So it's not like a true color match. Like we've seen Mosaic. I'm so used to saying the color matches because Mosaic is what it was all about. So Eskridge there, not bad. Not a bad start for box number 1. That should be it for the quote-unquote hit. So we'll see what we can find. I'm hoping we get an auto. Most of the time, though, these blasters are just going to have those swatches in them. This is what it is. That's just what it is. So hopefully we can break the odds here. Oh, Supernatural. Very, very nice. Tom Brady, Supernatural. We'll take that. Absolutely. That's a good card. I know that's a good card for sure. I've seen a couple hobby breaks where there's a lot of case hits. I don't believe Supernatural is a case. I think it's just one of the inserts. Pretty confident about that. So we'll take it for sure. Supernatural, Tom Brady, very, very nice. I'm actually going to load it up. I do like to protect a lot of the cool Tom Brady cards I do collect. That is one of them right there in a loader. We'll have to do more research on that after the video of the Supernatural. I'm pretty sure it's just an insert. I don't think it's anything like a case hit or anything like that. But hey, we'll find out. We'll find out afterward. Contenders, like, I'm not going to lie. Contenders is a product that I will open up once. Like, you see all the Mosaic behind me. I like Mosaic, so I will open it. It just drives me nuts that Panini's and throw in these autograph cards, or like, give me something. Very nice MVP Josh Allen card, really cool. That's what bothers me about this, is that we got to go to Contenders, right, to get these, to get like the hits, to get the autos, to get the relics, to get something. Where Mosaic behind us is a product that everyone wants because it's Mosaic, but they don't give you anything. They don't give you, right, just find one. Give me a random swatch. Go ahead. Make it difficult. I don't need an auto and everything, but my goodness. For a top tier product, you think you would get something out of those brands and not everything from these mid-tier brands. And that's the truth. You really get stuff from the mid-tier. That's really it. So I will say, I know I'm bashing this product. If you like Contenders, right? If you like the ticket form, there is, like I said, there's a lot of people out there that do love it. This is a great product. Like, think about it. There is so many opportunities here to get these one-of-ones, get a printing plate. Like, there's so many cool things you can get from here. If you don't like Contenders like me, this drives you nuts. Because it's like, man, do I keep this on the shelf? Because, like, all these base cards, I really don't like. Aaron Rodgers, awesome Aaron Rodgers. I don't like the design. So, for me, Tom Brady, Tom Brady, great. I don't like the design, though. So, for me, it's tough. Because, like, I don't care for the ticket. And I know there's a lot of other people that kind of agree with that. So it's just one of those things. It's difficult to get behind if you don't like it. But, boy, if you do like it, and this is, like, right up your alley, this is your product. This is your product for sure. Once you enter into, like, the mid-tier products, you're going to see people sometimes leaving them on the shelf because they're not that top tier. Right, because they're not going to hold value long term. It just is what it is. Pretty cool round. What's the round 3 numbers? Mund and Mills. Pretty cool, guys. I don't know if you're noticing, we're barely getting any rookie cards. Like, barely any. I'm actually gonna sleeve up this because I actually like Mund. I think he's gonna get some PT this season. I think something's gonna happen. The Cousins there in Minnesota. That's just my opinion. So I actually take care of Mund. But yeah, actually looking back, none of these were really rookie cards. And that's crazy. I know I'm going through them pretty quick, so there's a lot of cards. But the rookie card would be typically the last one. So we just got Najee. Literally, I think Najee was the only rookie card. Plus Eskridge there. Another questionable, like, man. If you want those rookie cards, this is not your set for rookie cards, I'll tell you that much. So it's all, guys, it all depends on what you're chasing. Speaking of rookie cards, Eskridge showing up once again, second time. Really our third rookie card of we're halfway through box number 2. It's crazy. It's insane, guys. It's insane. So just listen, whether you like the stuff or not, just be careful because there's not going to be rookie cards. You could get an auto, you could get a swatch, but truthfully, it's a gamble. It's just, you're going to sit in there, you're going to gamble like crazy. Pretty cool. Very it's interesting. This looks like an old style card, doesn't it? Chain movers, though, pretty cool, I will say. The chain mover text is textured, so that's pretty cool there. Not bad. Moving right along, though. So yeah, guys, you're really just after, you're honestly just opening this to try to get a relic or an auto, and I was able to feel the back of this. It's a relic, not an auto. So you're paying about, what is it? I think you can get these under $30 retail. I believe so. So it's pretty much under $30 to essentially get one relic or one auto, and you're hoping it's a big time player. So let's see. Looks like a variation. Purple rookie. I knew the ICM. There we go. It looks like it's going to be green for everything, unless you can get them numbered. Not bad wide receiver here over in Minnesota. I would have preferred the quarterback. You obviously want the quarterback, so you're going to get skilled guys. Has to be a good player. Has to be a stud. Either way, we'll load them up just in case they make our eBay store. Links in the description, guys. Moving right along. I would say the Tom Brady card is probably the best hit, even over the patches, the swatches here. We'll get through these season ticket. Looking for another rookie would be cool. Oh, nice. Ricky Williams throwing it back. I like that. I like that design. Legendary Contenders. Like I said, the inserts, I'm probably going to say it multiple times in this video. The inserts are sweet. Inserts are sweets for sure. It's just the fact that you're literally paying $30 for a gamble on one card. Is what it is. Now, like I said, if you like the product, if you like the base cards, go for it. But you're not going to really get any rookies at all. So, I don't know. I just think it's another product. Panini's just trying to squeeze the money out of you guys. Especially the NBA with the playoff time being around. And it was very interesting. Typically, these don't like release at the same time. So it was just odd to see them both on the in retail, on Target, online, anywhere you go, at the same exact time. It was just a contender push. And I know some parts of the country are already seeing the mega boxes of these. So once again, they're just gonna get these on the shelf quick, push them through quick, advertise the autos and the mems. Just be careful. Just be careful. So like I've seen these before, very, very nice, in all the hobby openings. So like the hobby was great, right? A lot of awesome cards in the hobby. I'm actually gonna sleeve it up because I believe in Patrick Surtain. Jace Horn will be just probably maybe a little bit of a long shot there. But if Surtain and Denver does good there with Russell, I think the defense is going to do very, very well. So we'll invest in that. We'll invest for him for sure. So yeah, the hobby was big, very, very popular. Like I said, there's a lot of people that do like this product, but I would stick to the hobby. If you're just going to get the product, stick to the hobby. Just be careful. You know, I haven't even seen a base parallel yet. The parallels would be, instead of it being white here, it would be a certain color. Larry Johnson, power players here. Not bad. I don't think we had one parallel, which is nuts. It's nuts to me. Like, unwrap. So the boxes here, I don't think I showed this side. Unwrap 5 stunning inserts. So, and we're looking for the Stardust, ultra rare. So you're not even going to get like base parallels. Like you couldn't. It's another issue why I'm losing my mind over here, right? I feel swats on the back side, so we're hoping we get a quarterback. We'll see what we can do here. Hoping for a QB season ticket. Let's see it. Can we get a ruck? There we go. So we actually got our Kellen Mond this time. We'll take it for sure. Just that green. It's going to be the base. Like I said, guys, you're going to see a ton of these. You're going to see a ton of these. They're not going to be crazy value. No, listen, no one's going back to last year's contenders and chasing Burrow. Just what it is. That's what you have to look at, right? That's a good way to look at it too, guys. If you're wondering how a product will stand in the long run, go look at last year's product resale, right? And really kind of figure out, okay, hey, Joey Burrow, like, great example. That's like best case scenario, right? Second year, and he goes all the way to the big game, right? Jamar Chase. Right, look at his rookie cards. Goes right to the big game during his rookie year, right? So, like, those players, Mond again. Mond coming in hot. We'll take Mond. This is going to be a Viking video today. I'll take it, though. I'll take it for sure. I'd like to get at least one Mac, but we'll take Mond. Like I said, I just think he's going to get an opportunity this year. I just do. That's my opinion. That's my opinion. So, look at last year's product with Burrow. See the prices on the contenders, and listen, when you really start to collect, because I know there's a lot of new people that come here on the channel try to learn a little bit about it. Just gotta look at the quarterbacks. Gotta look at the quarterbacks, know the tiers, know the levels. Saquon, I was gonna say another this is a Viking video. Kirk Cousins, my guy though. I definitely think you're gonna get the bench this year. There's something about, I just don't know. I just think there's gonna be something about it. I just do. I think Mond's gonna get an opportunity. That's all I can say. I think he's gonna get an opportunity. We'll find out though. We'll find out. All right, Jimmy G. I wonder where he's gonna go in San Fran. Debo wants out officially, so very interesting. Another Gladiators, really nice. Really nice card right there. Pretty cool. I wonder if Brian Dawkins in this set. That would be cool. Love to get some B-Doc here. Guys, we're at the halfway point. Halfway point. I just want to take a second pause and say I appreciate you guys so much for helping us grow J-Ruth Gaming. We're over 1,000 subscribers. So cool. So cool, guys. We do reviews here on J-Ruth Gaming. We do NFL, NBA, and Pokemon stuff, guys. If you like that, you like getting away from the real world and just hanging out, open cards, and chilling, hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit the notification bell so you know when the videos drop live, and you like the content, you like the review, hit that thumbs up button, guys. I appreciate it. If you don't have all the time in the world to sit here on YouTube, I understand, but check us out on TikTok and our Instagram account. I'll give you previews of what's coming up a couple hours before, day before, so you guys know, hey, I better get on there. I want to see that review before maybe you go out on the store or in the store and spend some money. Where's our lucky Charizard? So halfway through it, and I have a feeling it's just going to be all swatches, patch cards. That's what I'm guessing, right? It just makes me wonder. They put all these one-of-ones, but is it realistic? Is it realistic, right? So when I started opening up a ton of sports for YouTube here, it got to the point where it was like, man, the hobby boxes is obviously where it's at, right? But like, you gotta hit something from retail, right? Guys, I've opened up a lot. Go check the channel out. All right, if you're new here, check the channel out. Every playlist, NFL, NBA, we open up a ton of stuff. A ton of stuff. It is difficult. Now, I will say, retail has some cool case hit stuff. They just do. Nice LT moving the chain, pretty really cool, that card there. So like, out of like the Mosaic, for example, the Genesis cards, typically you're not going to find those in hobby boxes, right? It's just not. You'll find bigger stuff, which is cool, but it's just, there's something about retail that's fun. But guys, just remember, it is designed to take your money. It just is. Typically, the card is like driving a brand new car off the lot, right? You lose value as soon as you rip it. So, gotta hit hard, gotta hit big. Look at the board right now. I technically only put up 5 quote-unquote hits so far, and this is blaster box number 3. You can just round up and say they're about 30 bucks a pop each. So, you let me know. Do you think it's worth it? I don't know. Another Viking player and a very, very cool Cam over here for the Glad. If Cam's in here, Dawkins might be in here. That's a pretty cool card. Pretty cool card for sure. Inserts are awesome. Say it every time. Inserts are awesome. Guys, you gotta let me know. Are you going to be getting this product? Are you passing on this product? I feel another relic coming. Another relic coming. Let's see what we can get here. Can we get a quarterback other than a Viking player? Palmer? Yes, it is. Josh Palmer. So all of them are that green color. Just got a blue. None of them are going to be rookie worn. It's going to be they're not going to be from any event. You'll see on the bottom here, not from any, right? Is not from any event. All right. So typically the rookie cards are not. Just what it is. Just what it is. It's being real. Just what it is. Get over it. So far, guys, honestly, it's just Mund. This Mund, the Brady Supernatural, is a fantastic card. I think, listen, that might be a case hit. That might be a case hit. Just because I don't care for Contenders too much, I didn't do a deep dive on every case hit that you can get. And honestly, online, there wasn't that much information out there. There really wasn't. Earl Campbell, pretty cool card. Legend, really cool. I like that. I like how this black and white. Then they show that they do have the color version on the back. That is pretty cool. So Supernatural, I'm pretty sure is a big hit. Like I said, I don't do too much opening for Contenders. This is more of just showing you guys, trying to get a lot of product in at once and showing you, okay, here is 6 blasters. 6 blasters. There's a Rookie of the Year insert. Marshall Jr. here over in Carolina. Can you guys get anything good from 6 blasters? I don't know. That's crazy. If you did though, let me know. Let me know your results. Anyone get autos out there, or literally is it all these swatches, which is most likely the case, right? Most likely the case. Panini's not just going to give away autos. But listen, speaking of autographed cards, coming up this weekend. So typically I do live videos on Friday night. This week we decided just to do another Contender. I was just too hot. To go live, so I was like, you know what? We're just gonna come here and do this video. But this weekend we've been really hitting a ton of PSA submissions. So Speaking of autos, we have another PSA submission coming up. We got 20 cards we're sending out, and they're all autographed cards. I'll give you a sneak peek. Trey Lance autographed card. 1 out of 49, the first of the print. We are sending this to PSA along with 19 other cards. All autographed cards, both from the NBA and the NFL. We hit this live last Friday right here on YouTube. You can check that out. It was the Playbook Hobby Box opening. We went live and did this. Absolutely insane. Trey Lance auto. Give you a little sneak peek what we're doing. That video will either be tomorrow night or Sunday, depending on really the schedule of what's going on here. So that is coming up. Come check out what 20 cards we are sending. Guess your grades, and obviously when they return from PSA. Michael Vick, very, very nice Legends card. When they return from PSA, we'll do a reveal to see what grade they got and how close we were to getting them right. So here we go, guys. Moving right along, Chase Young. We went back in time to his rookie year, and we did open up a lot of product. It's a ton of fun for sure. Very, very nice. Tom Brady in the Patriot uniform. I do like that they still include Brady in a Pat uniform. I think that you have to, right? You just have to. There's a lot of rumors going around, though. I've seen some insane storylines that like he's going to be a Dolphin. Like he is going to be a Dolphin. That's the plan. But something like with the rights, and he's going to be a potential owner of the Dolphins. Even like there's a lot of stuff's going on, and like to do that, he had to be like playing or something crazy. I don't know. It's insane. Feel another relic on the back, by the way. So I'm assuming this is going to be a relic. It is going to be a relic. So it's probably going to be our hit. Can we get our big name rookie? No, but listen, I will take Javonte Williams for sure. I've been talking about the Broncos. I think with Russell Wilson there, the new quarterback, new face in town, just some new life in the building there. I think all the skilled players' values get a little jacked up a little bit. So if you're gonna hit a skilled player from that team, take the running back for sure. All right. There technically should be at least one more quote-unquote hit in the last blaster. This will be the last time we do Contenders Blaster form. I will most likely, pretty cool tight end duo card right there. I will most likely get at least 2 megas of each realistically. Typically when I prepare for the studio, kind of like inside, right? Inside the lines, right? Or outside the lines, whatever you want to call it. I typically get about 6 of each box. It's kind of what I like to do. If I really, really like the product, I'll do a little bit at a time every time. Davis Mills here, Rookie of the Year insert. I'll do a little bit, like 2 boxes. I'll do just a review. I'll save boxes for later. If I like it, I want to come back to it. I'm a card collector first, right? So if I like the cards, I want to do it over and over again. Contenders, because I don't like it, because I just think it's a lot of clickbait with a lot of one-on-ones this, one-on-one this on their advertising team, which like kudos to you guys are make a ton of money. I don't think it's a good product though, just my opinion though. So I'd rather just get it out of the way, do a review, open up a ton at once, show you guys like, wow, you know, he literally just opened up a half a restock, whatever it might be, and he literally didn't get anything. You might save your money then afterward watching it. But guys, either way, got the last box. Get our lucky Charizard pin up here. Remember, let me know in the comments section what you think of this product. If you like Contenders, if you don't, if you think I'm crazy, whatever it might be, guys. Either way, look, I appreciate you guys. You know that. You know that. We have a fun weekend here planned. Other than the PSA, we might go back and do a Pokemon video. That Charizard binder to my left. You're right. We're actually trying to complete a full set of Brilliant Stars, so we might go back to that in a big way. So, guys, a last pack here. I hope we can get an auto. I'm assuming it's going to be all patches, though. What it is what it is. We did at least get one quarterback, which was Mund. So what I'm going to do is when I find the relic, we'll save it to the end. We'll have some last pack magic there, all right? This Sean again, it is. So we're getting duplicates already from the Gladiators. Absolutely insane. Even good duplicates after 6 blasters after a while. So every time I look at that Supernatural, I want to say that's a big time card. I really do. It looks so... Been in a few breaks with the hobby when this first dropped, and I remember that type of card being a big deal. I just forget what it was. And I apologize for not having the information. I'm sure I'll have it by the time you guys are watching this. So I'll know by the time you see this. Let's put it that way. All right. Tua, Claypool, very, very nice. Wentz. And these, I don't care for this design. This is like an old school design, it looks like, doesn't it? With the fake grass in the background. I don't know. That's probably the one insert I don't care for. Probably the one insert I don't care for. Alright, guys. 3 more packs to go. This feels a little heavy. Is this the relic? Is this the relic? It is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it right there. We'll do that last. So we got 6 relics. And if you combine the 6 relics from yesterday, that's 12 blasters of Contenders, NBA, and NFL, all relics. Not one of one. Not one numbered card you. Michael Strahan card. That's pretty cool. Not even a numbered card. No auto. All napkin cards, essentially, is what everyone calls them. Just making the point even more clear. Buy your pass. I am done with this product personally. Let me know, guys, in the comments below what your thoughts are. Really, really cool. Winning ticket. It's all about the tickets here. Lamar Jackson. Pretty cool. Baltimore. We'll take that. Actually a decent card there. I'm actually going to sleeve that up. Winning ticket is an exclusive. It's kind of like the Supernatural card. I do not believe it's a case hit. It's not a numbered card. It's considered a good card for Contenders. We'll take it. Winning ticket, Lamar Jackson. Pretty cool. Actually load that up too. That might actually end up on our eBay store this weekend. Be on the lookout for it, guys. All right, there we go. Purple winning ticket. That is actually a color match. That's pretty cool. And let's get to the final relic here for today's opening. Hopefully we get something crazy, but none. Wait until the end. I want to show you guys something here. We got, it looks like a Saints color. Oh, we got Najee Harris. All right. There we go. Najee Harris showing up not once but twice in today's video. There's the swatch, the rookie swatch. So the running backs coming in, the skill, it was really all about the skill players. Really all it was. So we'll take Najee Harris. It's not numbered or anything like that. So there's the board. So truthfully, look at this for a second. Before you sign off, look at this. 6 blasters. I want to show you this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rookies. 8 rookies. It's crazy. That's just ridiculous. 8 rookies. Let's just say I missed 2. 10 rookies. And then 1 relic each. Oh my goodness. So that's what, 16 rookies out of, I don't even know. I don't even know them. What were these? What were these? 42 times 6, what, 240, whatever it is. 240 cards, and you're gonna get 16 rookies. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Guys, if you're ripping the product, be a card collector first, right? Get in your head. I'm a card collector. I enjoy the cards, right? That's what it's all about at the end of the day, all right? Don't worry about, am I going to make my money back? Am I going to do this? Am I going to do that? For Contenders, make sure you just like the cards. That's all it's about. Have a good time with it. Laugh it off. Go on a hunt. Realize you're not going to get these one-of-ones, right? If you do, like, lose your mind, but you better come back here and channel and let me know that you hit a one-of-one. That's insane. But guys, at the end of the day, just have a good time with it. Just have a good time with it. You will enjoy the process more, all right? Hey, I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Hope you guys have a great weekend. We'll see you back here Saturday and Sunday. We're here the full weekend. That's what we do. Guys, thank you so much. Have a great night. See you tomorrow.